Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. What is the importance of the term interest coverage ratio of a firm in India? 1. It helps in understanding the present risk of a firm that a bank is going to give loan to. 2. It helps in evaluating the emerging risk of a firm that a bank is going to give loan to. 3. The higher a borrowing firm's level of interest coverage ratio, the worse is its ability to service its debt. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option A. The interest coverage ratio measures a company's ability to handle its outstanding debt. It is one of a number of debt ratios that can be used to evaluate a company's financial condition. Statements 1 and 2 are correct. It is one of the parameters that help understand and evaluate present and emerging risks of a firm a bank is lending to. Statement 3 is incorrect. A higher ratio indicates a better financial health as it means that the company is more capable to meeting its interest obligations from operating earnings. Let's see another question. Consider the following statements. 1. The weightage of food in consumer price index is higher than that in wholesale price index. 2. The WPI does not capture changes in the prices of services, which CPI does. 3. Reserve Bank of India has now adopted WPI as its key measure of inflation and to decide on changing the key policy rates. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. The weightage of food in the CPI is close to 50%. Weightage of food group in WPI is 39.06%. Statement 2 is correct. The WPI inflation does not capture price changes of services but the CPI does. Statement 3 is incorrect. The Reserve Bank of India on 1st April 2014 adopted the Consumer Price Index, CPI, as the key measure of inflation. Till now the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, was using Wholesale Price Index, WPI, to gauge and measure indicative inflation projections. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.